it's Lisa. I wanted to talk a little bit today about self-love in time for the holidays. And this was inspired by a gift that I just received from my friend Sandra Silverman. So Sandy just reached 500,000 followers. So congratulations to Sandy. She has a fantastic book that I ordered when it first came out, and it was so helpful. We'll talk a little bit about that. And also, I received a gift from Sandy as part of her giveaway for 500,000 followers. So I thought this was a perfect time to talk about self-love during the holidays, because the book is called, I'm not going to say the whole word, From Bull to Botox, A Rebel's Guide to Self-Love and Eternal Youth. And I really feel like during this time of life, midlife, so many women don't really feel like themselves. You don't really feel like who you were before. Your body's changing, your skin is changing. And I truly find that even just doing one thing really helps me to feel like myself again. So whether that be just doing an at-home workout, I love to work out at home. I will share that. I am a YouTube girl. That's one reason I started my YouTube channel. So if you're not following me there, I'd love for you to follow me on YouTube. But I love doing YouTube workouts. I'll usually do either, a weight workout at home, a full body workout, walking in place to, fun music on YouTube. So it really just helps me to feel like I'm accomplishing something. I'm feeling better about myself. So that is really helpful. And even during the holidays, I've kind of cut my workouts down to about 20 minutes on some days because I just have so much to do with the holidays here. But really, I feel like doing one thing and just being consistent with your workout really just can be so helpful in feeling like yourself again. And I really feel this is so important because I feel like it gives you that little bit of extra spark, that little bit of extra confidence, and that can help you to accomplish whatever your goal may be. So you may want to start, a blog. You may want to take up pickleball. You may want to, go back to yoga. Whatever it is, it gives you that little spark like, yes, I feel good. Let me go ahead and accomplish this goal. So that's what Sandy is all about too. And so one thing I really love about this book is that Sandy is an open book, so to speak, and shares so much about her journey to how she feels like the best version of herself. Everything from the procedures she's done, to the workouts, to the peptides she takes, you name it. And one thing that I feel like is very simple that I read this book a while ago, and it's been a goal of mine, and I have not accomplished it. I will put it that way. That she recommends to go for a facial once a month, and then a more in-depth facial, maybe with a dermatologist, that type of thing. I can't remember if she said every quarter or every 6 months. It might be every quarter. So I was going to go do this, get a facial every month, but has not worked into the schedule. But you could do so much at home, and that's a little bit about what Sandy has sent me for the unboxing. So I'm going to be sharing this. I've shared so many different products here. I even had somebody just send me a request to send another one, and I've shared, my lasers, my at-home red light therapy devices. I feel like there's so much that you can do at home to really just upkeep your appearance and just kind of feel like the best version of yourself. So I'm going to get into the unboxing. This is very interesting. Now I have, as I said, a lot of different things, but I've never seen this before. This is a LED silicone eye beauty device. So this is just strictly for the eye area. So I'm really, really looking forward to that. Since turning 60, I've noticed more fine lines. Really like that. This I really wanted to share because I actually did, if I can get the box open, a YouTube video on a visit that I had to my holistic esthetician. Now the box isn't opening for me. Here we go. I think I got it. And one thing that I shared in that is to use a gua sha. So this, you can find them that are made out of stone, but this is a metal one. I forgot what the exact metal is on these type of gua shas. I've had one before. But these are so fantastic to just bring circulation to your face and just go in an upward movement. This is antibacterial. That's why this one is so good. And just honestly, back to YouTube again. You can look up different YouTube videos. I did see one where they recommend to just do like some light lymphatic drainage first to get the lymph system going. And then you just start with, you don't have to be hard. I've done this too hard in the past. Very gently, upward motion. Cheekbones, eye area, forehead, and the gua sha, tried and true. Honestly, fantastic. Old time remedy for looking great for your skin. This is really wonderful. So thank you, Sandy, for that. Got an aloe hat. This is so funny because honestly, my aloe visor is one of my favorite visors, but mine is clear in the front. And honestly, there's so many fingerprints and different things on it. So I really appreciate the new visor. These are some dermal masks and I can't wait to try these. This is the Sika Smoothing Mask, and this is a dermal mask, Wine Collagen Essence Mask. So I will be using these. This one has hyaluronic acid and chamomile in it also. And that's another thing that I really need to get back to. The last time I had a facial, my esthetician gave me a mask and she said, use this at night and then use it again the next day. There'll be enough liquid in there, you know, that you can save the liquid and use it again the next day. So I need to get back to these masks. I really feel like it's an easy way to take care of yourself during the holidays with a hustle and bustle. Just take a few minutes at night to go back, to relax and just take care of yourself. It really is so important to do that, especially this time of year, because I honestly feel, you know, I will be quite honest with you. Last week I had a really, really busy week. I was not getting enough sleep and I just didn't feel like myself. So I'm going to be doing that. And this is a little votive candle set, back to taking care of ourselves for the holidays. This one's from Aloe. What a great gift idea. You can certainly get that as a gift as well. This would be a perfect gift for the holidays. A few more of these dermal masks, and like I said, what a great way to just relax at night. This one is red ginseng, and this is platinum collagen essence. And some more aloe. Another little aloe gift. So they come here. Oh my gosh. An aloe gift card. I didn't even realize that was in there. Thank you, Sandra. That is so sweet. And then I think this is a little makeup case from Sandy with her little logo on it. So I appreciate all of this so much, Sandra. Thank you. I did not realize the gift card was in there. I love aloe. I will be making a trip there, so thank you. But wanted to share again, you know, be sure in this busy season, take care of yourself. It's so important, not only for just feeling your best, mentally feeling, you know, not tired and overworked and drawn down, but just going into the new year, feeling your best so you can go on to accomplish those goals and dreams that you have set out for 2026. So again, thank you, Sandra. Follow Sandra Silverman on Instagram, and follow me here at The Fulfilled Pharmacist for a lot of midlife health information and inspiration, and I'll talk to you all soon.